In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Outlook to Mailchimp. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a simple, reliable automation that links your Outlook and Mailchimp accounts using Zapier, so new activity in Outlook can flow straight into Mailchimp without manual work. First, open your browser and go to zapier.com. Zapier is a tool that connects your favorite apps without any coding, and it's perfect for this kind of integration. Once you're on the site, click Login to access your account. If you already use Zapier, just sign in as usual. If you're new, make sure you have access to the accounts you want to connect, because we'll be authorizing them in a moment. After you're logged in, click Create, then click Zap. A zap is Zapier's term for an automation that connects two services and runs for you in the background. You'll see a Copilot field that helps you set up your workflow faster. In that Copilot field, type in Outlook to Mailchimp. Zapier will understand you want to link Microsoft Outlook with Mailchimp and will suggest the structure for that connection. Next, log in your email for Outlook. This step authorizes Zapier to work with your Microsoft account so it can securely read the data needed for the automation. Enable any necessary permissions when prompted. The permissions window may mention the types of data being accessed. Review the details and confirm so the connection can be established successfully. Then, log in your email for Mailchimp, just like before. Approve the connection so Zapier can send the right information into Mailchimp. Enable any necessary permissions here as well. Taking a moment to read these prompts helps you understand exactly what's being shared and ensures you're connecting the correct account. With both apps connected, it's time to test the connection. Run the built-in test to confirm Zapier can reach Outlook and Mailchimp and pass data between them. If anything doesn't pass, double-check that you're signed into the right accounts and that the permissions were granted. Often, simply reconnecting or refreshing will resolve test issues. When the test looks good, click Publish. This turns your Zap on so it can run automatically going forward. From here, you can let the automation do the heavy lifting and simply monitor results as your Outlook activity starts flowing into Mailchimp. That's it, quick, secure, and efficient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.